again, we have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And this is coming from Bob and Brad. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. This is an YummyBazzaar Mode SD300. Music, air pressure, vibration, hot compress. Kind of reminds me of the Michael J. Fox Back to the Future when they put these on. Really cool display right there. LED. Power. Here's this side. Especially now since we're using our computers a lot more, bigger screens. This will help you guys relax those eyes. It helps with the sinuses and everything. LED indicator, short press mode, long press, short press, compression, short press, LED, change, USB cable to charge it. This is what you get, one massager, USB manual. And now let's take a look inside. And of course you can click my affiliate link, which will be down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And here we go. So I believe this is Bluetooth also. So you can have like your incoming phone calls, answer through it, play music, or if you're it would be hard to watch a movie, but if you're listening to music, that'd be the best way to go to relax. Here we go. Put one of those like music ones. Here we go. Take a look. I don't need that. Definitely need this guy. USB to charge it. And it's empty there. Here we go. Bob and Brad. So like I said, just definitely see what other goodies they have to offer. Get your mother something, maybe Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays. Nice housewarming gifts. Here we go. So we got the USB right there. Here's the front. This is cool. There's the display. Here's the inside. Nice cushy, flexible strap. Let's take this off. Bob and Brad. So definitely give them a follow. Check them out on their social media. Here we go. And let's turn this sucker on. Test it out. Like I said, Bluetooth, we'll show you how to set that up. Hopefully, should be non-copyrighted music. Here we go.
Looking for royalty-free music? Discover
to come out.
Get the safest music subscription.
Okay, there we go. Alright, now we got that ready for the Bluetooth mode. Gotta turn this thing on. Hopefully it's there. Whoa. Whoa. Comes with relaxing music. Whoa. It's like the ocean. Oh, this is cool. You can hear the waves. Whoa. Whoa, it totally lights up here. I'm gonna put this on. Ooh. Alright, let me flip this over. I think I shaved today. This is cool. I hope you guys can see it. Oh, you can hear it. It's relaxing my eyelids. Ooh, the warmth feels really good. Kind of like the VR headset. Yeah, you could definitely relax. Oh, yeah. This feels good. You might want to grab a couple for yourselves. I could see definitely this will help. Especially staring at that computer all day and night. Good lordy. Okay. Air pressure only. Oh, that's neat. Let's see if I could. Okay. Ah, this is a metaverse I'm talking about. I like this. Yeah, it's so crazy. So there you go, guys. This is super comfy. You can take this anywhere, especially on a flight. If you get delayed, pop this thing in and relax for a few hours. This is really nice to have. Futuristic, super lightweight. Like I said, strap is good, really comfortable. My eyes feel already better just by that few seconds. Holy moly. Feeling like more refreshed. Well, I could feel the heat. Let me try this out for a sec. Oh, wow. Yeah, this would definitely help my sinuses and everything. Especially in this cold. It's like 10 degrees outside right now. It is super. This thing is amazing. Holy moly. Way to go, Bob and Brad. You guys nailed this one. That's for sure. I had a similar one probably last year, and this one is way better than that one. This is amazing. So definitely click the link, guys. Check them out. If it's the eye massager you want, add it to your cart now. Check out or see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. But this is definitely one to get for the 2022 year. Because I think we're going to be at home relaxing a lot more this year. So definitely take advantage of these before they sell out. Super cool. And I think Bluetooth. I gotta take a look at the manual. Bring on the manual. But yeah, definitely. This will be a top tech for the 2022. Get it? Yeah, micro. You could discharge it into any USB slot. I think. I mean, if that's true, maybe this is not a Bluetooth. Yeah, Bluetooth music. Pairing name is iMassager. Oops. All right. So let me go to my. All right, guys. I popped it up, and it's really easy to connect. It'll be right there, iMassager. Oh, baby. Now you can have any music you want going through this whenever you want to relax for a few hours. Okay.
Low volume, medium volume, high volume, low volume, soft pressure, moderate pressure.
There we go. This is cool.
Low volume, medium volume, soft pressure, moderate pressure, vibration only.
There you go, guys. Check them out. Bob and Brad,
Air pressure with
Bluetooth eye massager. There you go. So we got that going in the background. Really cool. Bob and Brad. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good weekend. Stay warm.